You just go a little bit right here. Alright, and now the only we're gonna do is pull that molding and open a little bit each time you open it, okay? So let me get this handle. It's a little work, but if in case you don't have the money or the customers don't want to put the new molding, because some customers don't like, this is the warranty, so it's not a big deal, but sometimes the guys don't want to replace anything. So that's why I say, you have that problem, just play it like this, okay? Alright, so I'm going to pull a little bit slowly, and you see my line is cutting really nice between the body and the molding. Alright, just going to pull the line a little bit more. We go slow, a little bit slowly, because we are on the edge of the glass right there. We pull the molding. So if I cut the videos, because someone's gonna come talk to me. That's happened every time. So I'm gonna go now here and pulling. Now you can use this guy running top of the tape, and that's all. After that, your molding is completely nice and safe. Now the only you have to do is replace the double side tape and put it back on the same way, and that's all, and take it out. Okay, now you have one of these retainers, you can replace it, or you want to replace the tape double side, and that's it, guys. You got the molding 100%. ¿Qué pasa? You got the molding and the 100% safe. That's what I do to save these guys, okay? Remember that, just looping under, running the line really slow like this, and put the double side tape on that, and that's all. All right, really easy. Okay guys, I hope you like the video.